Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add nearby friends on Snapchat. Many new potential friends are just a few clicks away. Thanks to Snapchat's impressive Snap Map feature. You can use this feature to find new people living close by or even meet some interesting foreign friends during your travels. You can see what people around you are up to on Snapchat and connect with those you find intriguing. To find nearby friends on your Android phone, do this video. Open the Snap Map by tapping the location icon at the bottom left. If prompted, allow Snapchat access to your location. Then, click on a hotspot near your Bitmoji. Swipe left or right to browse through the Snapchat stories from that location. When you find a user you'd like to connect with, swipe up on their story. Then, select the Creator tab to go to the user's profile. Now, tap the subscribe button to make contact with that user. If you're not staying in a particularly lively area, there might not be many hotspots around you. Also, you might not like any of the Snapchat stories you've gone through. If that's the case, you can go a little bigger than your immediate area. At the top of your Snap Map screen, you'll see the name of the city you either live in or are currently visiting. Tap the city's name to see what other people living there are doing. While you've broadened your search, thus including fresh new snaps, the location is still close enough for a potential meetup with your new friends. The Place tab also enables you to filter stories based on the location. Click on this tab at the bottom center to see a list of popular locations throughout the city. Then, click on a location you'd like and look for a new friends who posted snaps there. Apart from the popular tab, you can also access the favorites and visited tabs. The former contains places you've saved as favorite locations, while the latter lists all the places you've tagged in your Snapchat stories. If you've already met great new people in those places, you can revisit them from time to time and hopefully continue expanding the friends list. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.